Hello all, welcome to our channel. Any YouTube new channel, how we can set up live streaming with a custom thumbnail, how we can activate. First of all, select your new channel, newly created channel. If you go to live streaming, they can't go with the live streaming option. Before go to live streaming, first of all, go to settings. In a channel, we have to verify the phone number mandatory. That is called future eligibility. Here, I'm adding to click for verify phone number. There is a three options not in eligible. Now I'm adding for phone number. Give me the seconds. I'm adding the phone number with activation code. Just wait for a second. After adding the phone number, this will be verified will be successfully. So after this, close it. Previous future eligibility, it is uneligible. Now eligible by the live stream option, custom thumbnail, everything will be finished. After that, live streaming purpose, go live. Here, when you activate go live will be here, it is activate time will be 24 hours. So now will be activate will be right now is that, and by tomorrow same time it is a live stream will be activate on your particular YouTube channel option. Without activate phone number, live streaming not activated. But when you're live streaming activate on your YouTube channel, you have to wait for 24 hours to activate live stream option. So if any kind of YouTube related questions, you can ask me to my channel. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.